NSRI urges caution during high winds and new moon spring tides.
Because kita drive my car. My car is in the My car is behind it. There's a bit of phone call that are like.
NSRI J. Berho and the emergency services responded to Mangold's Pool Resort on Saturday afternoon, where a number of caravans and structures were comprised by the spring high tide. A number of people were safely evacuated: 1 dog, 1 bird, 2 ladies, 2 children, 2 males evacuated out of their caravans and taken to the gatehouse at 3 pools. No injuries were reported. The NSRI have urged extra caution with the new moon spring tide that will affect the coast from today into the first part of next week. The videos here were taken this afternoon, Saturday, September 16, at Bikini Beach, Gordons Bay, near Cape Town. National Sea Rescue Institute (NSRI) spokesperson Craig Lambinon said NSRI, SAPS, GB MedSec Ambulance, Law Enforcement, Fire and Rescue Services, Gordons Bay Neighborhood Watch, and WC Govt Health EMS attended, where a number of vehicles were threatened by spring high tide at around 3:30 p.m. According to the NSRI, bathers and shoreline anglers around the coast should notice the high tide gradually becoming more elevated than normal and low tide retreating to lower levels than normal leading up to the peak of the full moon. The NSRI said it was concerned that coastal bathers and shoreline anglers who are not aware of the full moon and new moon spring tides could be caught off guard. NSRI spokesperson Craig Lambinon said, RIP currents can be stronger in places during a spring tide. We are appealing to coastal bathers and shoreline anglers to be cautious, and bathers should only swim at beaches protected by lifeguards and swim in between the safe swimming areas that lifeguards post using their red and yellow flags.